Hi, I'm Nico. In this video, I want to give you 10 YouTube channels that, in my opinion, are quite interesting to follow if you are a media composer. Each of these channels has helped me pick up tips and tricks or learn new things, and they are usually of let's say, high production value, and they are made by people who know their stuff. So without further ado, let's check channel 1. And this would be the channel from Christian Henson, the co-founder of Spitfire Audio. There is, of course, the Spitfire Audio YouTube channel, but Christian Henson also has his personal YouTube channel. And from there, I picked up so many things. Not only his videos are well produced, the sheer joy of the man when he's explaining a concept that sometimes I think can be quite difficult. Yeah, it's a, it's a really great channel. His productivity is, I don't know, beats me. I don't know how he can be a composer, how he can work for Spitfire Audio, and how he has time to produce as many videos. So obviously, watching all of them would be a bit difficult, but yeah, just go through his channel and look at some titles that may be of interest to you. Number 2, it's a channel called Tabletop Composer, and there you will be able to learn or to review or maybe remember a few tips and tricks about composition, whether it is motif development, harmony, writing a bass line, how to come up with a chord progression, how to write for strings or any other section. It's a really, really valuable channel, and I've learned a lot from it. Number 3, back to the Spitfire world, there is also the YouTube channel from Thomson, the other co-founder of Spitfire Audio. And again, same as with Christian Henson, you will have tips and tricks about composition. For example, there is one video that I think of about mixing brass and how to get that sizzle and modern sound from the horns section. It was really enlightening. So that's it for number 3. Channel number 4 would be the Rick Beato channel. So again, this is someone who uploads a lot of videos, and watching all of them would be near impossible if you also have to work, right? But again, there are videos about music theory. For example, there is one that is excellent about modes and how to use them when you are composing. This is an excellent channel with a very high production value, and Rick Beato absolutely knows his stuff. That's 4. So channel number 5. As you know, I'm a Cubase user. I absolutely love Cubase. It is the DAW that works the best for me. And if you are also a Cubase user, I would definitely recommend to watch Sigalas YouTube channel. I've been using Cubase for quite some time, and I pride myself in knowing it very well, right? There are very few parts of Cubase that I think I don't know. I've read the manual. I watch countless courses. I work every day with Cubase for long hours, and yet each time I watch a video from them, I learn something new. So this is totally something that I would advise to check out if you are a Cubase user. Channel number 6. this is not about composition per se, it is about video editing. The channel is called Black Box Mind. It's quite a recent channel, and it is produced by a good friend of mine called Matthew Goodman. He's a video editor, and by watching his channel, you will not only learn tips and tricks about video editing, but I think being aware of how a video editor works, this will make you a better media composer. So check out Black Box Mind. Next one, we have the channel, and I don't think anyone in our little niche of media composition doesn't know about, but still it's worth to mention, is the video channel from a guy, Michelmore. I don't know. I love this guy. When you see his videos, to me, not only I learn stuff, obviously, that's why I'm recommending this channel. I love his library reviews. I love his theory, tutorials. But I don't know, when I watch a video from a guy, I have the impression that I'm sitting for a beer with a friend and that we are going to have a really good time together. So worth checking. Next one. This channel is not so active as of late, but there is a huge backlog of videos that you can check out. They are a bit more advanced. It's the channel from Mike Verta. Mike Verta is selling masterclasses online. They are long-form videos that will teach you, for example, about percussion or about orchestrating, like John Williams or Alan Silvestri. But he also has quite a big, quite a lot of content on his YouTube channel. And again, for picking up tips and tricks about compositions or things that you can use that you would maybe not think of because this is not the way you are used to work, it's very, very well worth it to check Mike's channel. Then 9, we have the channel from famous composer Trevor Morris. So there you will learn stuff about the film composing business, but not only. He has some very in-depth technical videos about computers and Cubase and templates and the way that he likes to work. And I think it's very, very interesting to dive into his videos, because Trevor is a highly successful working professional. So maybe having a look at his workflow will also inspire you. And last, number 10 is a channel from a guy called Trago. And this is not about composition. Again, this is a channel about film making. So there you will learn about colors. You will learn about photography. You will learn about composition, but video composition, not music composition. And by being aware of all these little things that filmmakers breathe in and out daily, you will get a glimpse into their world and what to pay attention when scoring for film. And I've learned a lot, and I really mean a lot, from Trago's channel. And that's about it. So these are 10 channels that I would advise to at least take a look at, check out a few videos, or scrub through one of the videos, see if it matches your style and what you are interested in. And yeah, there is also my channel, it is not as successful or as useful as all the others that I mentioned, but if you like what I do, please like, subscribe, hit the bell. You know how YouTube works. I'm not telling you anything new here. And right now would be a great moment to actually stop watching videos and go write some great music.